Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi A5 Coupe Sport 35 TDI with the Tronic transmission. Now this particular example is finished in the optional glacier white metallic paintwork, which really give it that unique appearance. Now as we look towards the key features, and with this being the sports model, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional sporty styling such as that lovely rear diffuser with the two exhaust tips, the aggressive side skirts and that fantastic front grille. Moving on now to the exterior key features, where we do find these fantastic LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the alloys now, we do find these exceptional 18-inch 8.55 twin spoke design alloys, and they do really stand out against the white paints. Now moving into the rear boot space of the Audi A5 Coupe, we do find up to 450 litres of storage space, which is a large amount for a vehicle of this size. This can easily accommodate one larger suitcase and a few additional bags. Now moving into the rear seats, where we do find this fantastic tan leather interior, which is also featured the black stitching. There is also a leather centre armrest, which is well known for added comfort. There are Isofix points neatly located across the back row. You can also access the rear by pulling on the handles on both front seats. Moving into the front now, that fantastic tan interior does continue and is mixed with the fantastic black leather and aluminium. As well as this, with this being the sports model, it does mean the seats are of a sporty design, do hold the driver in place when cornering, and they do have the tram lines running downwards. Above now we find the virtual cockpit, which is featured in two digital rev counters, and by pressing the view button you can also access your telephone connectivity, vehicle information and radio stations as well. Now to the centre of the dashboard we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which does allow access to your navigation, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and you will notice it features the heated seat functionalities for both passengers. Moving above once again now, we do find a reversing camera as well as the front and rear sensors, making this vehicle much easier to park in the tighter spaces. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months of roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.